A lot of people are speaking about QFS, the quantum financial system, NESARA, GESARA. What's going on?
QFS is very real. It's already in motion. You can check with your banker. He will tell you. Or maybe not your banker, but his boss. But it's already in motion. Predictions were made by many people that before this past election, chaos is going to come. Well, chaos is here. It's all going to continue. Corruption is going to continue. This facade about Republicans and Democrats is going to continue. And people are going to continue to watch CNN and Fox News and think they know everything. And the game will continue. The circus will continue.
How do you see that changing? I mean, Democrat, Republican, the circus that you're calling a circus, where does it end exactly? What needs to happen? We hear the emergency broadcast system is going to broadcast mass arrests happening around the world. Where do you see this change occur?
Financially, we are heading up to a major, major disaster. And instead of people going out and revolting, they're basically going into their home and they're waiting for Jesus to show up. Well, he's not going to show up unless you're going to do something about it.